Hi guys, we just met our client and we did consultation with him, and now we will make a break, and the results are just incredible. This client fucked so many young girls and increased so confidence dramatically that he asked, how to remove those girls from his life, because those girls became attached to him, and he wanted, to remove them from his life. So actually, we gave him knowledge that you need to protect your space, to not let here to affect you. You have your personal space, your working environment, and you just do not put up with that. You're not paying attention to that because you are losing your time. And we talked for 3 hours. He bought all our products of Alphamantraining because until July 19, prices will jump 5 times and will never change. So be fast, get them now. If you have some products and you want our products, so auto cart those products what you don't have and order them now because it's the best time to get those products. Okay, let me tell more about this client, So what happened? What happened with him? He is from Washington, D.C. And when we consulted him, we noticed, that he's living with his parents. Even, he bought a house, but sometimes parents coming in that house. So we created a plan, systems for him. We made, also Alphamantraining. And he went to San Diego. And when he went to San Diego, after Alphamantraining, we rented, apartment in city center. After Alphamantraining, his confidence was so high that he started to pull 3 different girls a day to his apartment and to fuck them. He fucked them so strongly that those girls felt pain in their pussy. For 2 weeks, they was crying from the pain, because we trained him diet, how to control his state, and he just fucked them unbelievably strongly. So after that confidence he used into developing, business. What he did, he went to San Diego, got a girlfriend, wanted to be cheap, went to live in girlfriend's apartment. It doesn't work because a girl, started to affect him with her state. So what he did, he rented an apartment in another place of San Diego, and where his clients are, he put himself in a center where are his clients around. And when he started to work, got, new clients, created amazing value, and developed his business, and even more, pulled a lot of young girls and fucked them. So we consulted him, and he invested into all, our products, because he had some of our products, and he saw that, it's until July 19, I can get for the best price, best deal, after July 19 I will lose, I will regret that I, didn't, buy those products. So he invested, because what he said, he is 37 years old. He said oh my God, so if I would know you, when I have been 20 years old or 18 years old, so many opportunities I missed in my life. It's just so fucked up. So he was so regretting, and so like missed a lot of opportunities in his life, you know, and just he found Alphamantraining just being 37 years old and regretting. So what he did, he invested into all our products because to save time and develop new skills. Same is for you. What I would like you now, write through alphamantraining.com, you know, go to contacts, write, you know, where are you struggling? What is happening in your life? What bringing you to PUA stuff, to pick up stuff? What happening in your life? Happening, you know, marriage breakup, some other stuff like a girl left you, a girl manipulated, took money from you. Right, what happening in your life? And start your journey to alpha male, because now it's time. It's better to stay and be alpha male when you know die being beta male and never feel what it feels to be a real alpha male during the day, and just have that skilled approach. Any woman you want during the day, approach, get them, you know, seduce them on the same day. It's just amazing skill. That skill gives you power to have a lot of options around women. You see a girl, young girl, just approach and fuck her on the same day. And they love that. They wanna be fucked by you. So you need to develop this skill. This is essential skill in order to not make mistakes with your woman in long-term relationship, or with your girls in relationships. It's a necessary skill. So you need to do that. And you can meet, you know, women during the day, like, you know, like this. See, you go and you approach here because you know what are you doing, you know your plan, you know how to stop here, how to continue conversation, how to make her feel interested. Even, you know, manipulation systems which gives you power of same day lace, and you're not wasting time like this guy standing and doesn't doing anything, doesn't create any value, because you alpha male, you calculating your time. Each day becoming older and older, and you need save time, otherwise you will die. Never fucked women, never felt like real alpha male, and you will regret. In the end of your life, you will regret more what things you didn't do and what you didn't try. So make decision now. A link is below. Go to this link and order to your card. Thank you. Until next time, alphamantraining.com.